Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. This is Fatima Sabrin Shikha, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take home science class for the students of class 7 on the topic of chapter 3, Creative Question Answer 1-2. I am repeating, our today's topic is Creative Question Answer 1-2 from chapter 3. Students, this is our third lecture and second SW. I am repeating again, this is our third lecture and second SW. Students, take your home science book, notebook and writing elements. We will discuss about creative question and you have to write them in your notebook. So let's discuss. Our first question is, Saleha and Halima Khatun live in the apartments of same space. Saleha Begum has used sky-colored curtains. On the other hand, Halima Khatun has used curtains which are printed with red flowers. She has kept a large tub made of clay beside the door. One day, Maria from a neighboring apartment went to Saleha's house. From there, she went to Halima's house and said that it could be better if you have a little bigger drawing room. Students, from this stem we come to know that Saleha and Halima Khatun lives in same apartment and their neighbor Maria visited their house. And from this stem we have to answer 4 questions. Our first question is, what is the source of light? Students, we all know that sun is the source of light. So our answer will be, the sun is the source of light. I am repeating again, our answer will be, the sun is the source of light. Now come to second question. What is an interior decoration? I hope you know the answer because you have already know about the text. You can write like this. The decoration inside a house or flat is called interior decoration. It includes floor, walls, ceiling, doors, curtains, wall fittings, carpeting, mats, lightings, kitchen fittings, washroom fittings and furniture. Interior decoration is not the jumbling of furniture but an artistic arrangement. So from this we come to know that if we decorate our house with proper arrangement, it will be perfect for interior decoration. Students, now come to number C. On which factor has Saleha given emphasis in decorating her room? Explain. Students, from this stem you have to answer the question number C. Look here. Saleha Begum has given emphasis on the selection of curtain in decorating her room. Maria visits the drawing rooms of both Saleha Begum and Halima Khatun. Both the rooms are the same size. Yet Saleha's room appears to be bigger to Maria. This is plainly because of sky-colored curtains in Saleha's rooms. If she used curtains with check or print, the room would look smaller. This has happened in case of Halima's room. So you can understand the difference between Saleha and Halima Khatun's house. The difference is in the color of the curtains. Now come to number D. Analyze the efficiency of Halima in decorating her home. The answer is, the passage does not reflect Halima's efficiency in decorating her room. That she has used curtains printed with red flowers does not bear the testimony to an artistic arrangement. Printed curtains have made her room apparently smaller. Color beaming curtains are not for small apartments. Saleha Begum has done the right thing. Halima has kept a large clay tub beside the door that has even opened the door view as well as the space of entrance. Students, you can differentiate the differences between Saleha and Halima Khatun from the stem, and you know that the color, the arrangement of furniture can make your home differentiate from others. We know that Saleha and Halima's apartment size is same, but there are lot of differences because of the arrangement of the furnitures. So we will be careful while decorating our home with furniture and other elements. Students, now come to CQ2. You can see the question here. Here we find the question art, and from art we find two parts. First one is color, line, form, texture, and you know that these are very important for art. And here we find proportion, balance, harmony, rhythm, and emphasis. Do you know about this? Students, in our earlier classes we have learned about this. So I am giving you, students, open your page number 27. Okay, in page number 27 you can see the principles of art. Here we find how many principles of art? 5 principles, and these are here: proportion, balance, harmony, rhythm, emphasis. Students, look here, we find proportion, balance, harmony, rhythm, and emphasis. These are called principles of art. I hope you know this. Now come to our question. Our first question is, what colors of paint do you need to make green color? I'm repeating, what colors of paint do you need to make green color? Our second question is, what do you understand by fabric texture? Number C, suppose you enjoyed a drama at your school ground at last week. Make a report on the art direction of the drama. Number D, art means visual music. Define the statement. Students, with the help of your textbook, you can answer all this. In our lecture 1 and 2, we have discussed the summary of chapter 3. Students, I have given your homework. Creative question answer 2 will be your homework. I'm repeating, your homework will be CQA will be your homework, and it's number 2. Students, don't forget to write lecture number and SW number at the top of the corner of your SW copy. Students, submit your SW copies on Sunday. Guardians or anyone else can submit your SW copies. You have to submit your SW copies because you will get your CT, diary, and SPA marks on the basis of the submission of your SW copies. So be serious about it. That's all for today. Hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. Stay well and see you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.